Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you are watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I will be doing a Goodwill makeover that is part of a $5 Goodwill challenge that is hosted by a beautiful lady named Hillary over at the Old World Home. If you do not know who Hillary is, make sure you go check her out. She has an amazing channel. She does DIY, homemaking, vlogs, all sorts of stuff, and I absolutely love and enjoy watching her. She's been doing a $5 Goodwill challenge for several years now, and I love participating in it. We had missed the the summer one, but we are back at it for fall. So without further ado, let's get started. So here are the supplies that I will be using. So I had picked up this candelabra at a local Value Village, and it was $4.99 $4.99, and I thought I could make it into a Halloween inspired candelabra. So I will be using these beads. Now I had actually gotten these beads, a whole bunch of them, when we were staying at French Quarter in Disney, the Port Orleans French Quarter. They were giving these out in your rooms and when you first came into the resort. So we have several of these, but I like because the beads are nice and small, and I thought they would be perfect for this DIY. And you will need hot glue as well as some sort of paint. I am using charcoal ultra matte chalked paint by Rust-Oleum. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to glue these beads all around the candelabra, kind of creating it a bit of a, I don't know what that would be called, that look that would be called that I'm going for. If you do know what that look would be called, let me know down in a comment. I really can't remember the word now. So I'm going to take my price tag off, and then I'm going to just measure these to make sure that they fit to where I want to put them. So I want them to droop from here to here, kind of to show you, but I don't know if I think I want it a little bit longer. So I know I'm gonna need 2 like that. So I'm gonna cut. Actually, I'm gonna need 4 like that. Long enough to droop here. That's good. Okay, so I think my hot glue gun is ready. So I am going to glue these, but I'm thinking, do I want to go on top? I think I want to go on the bottom. So I'm gonna put my finger protector and just do a little dab. Let's see if I did it like this so you can see better. And I'm trying to align it with the little hand here, so go straight down. Go right there. one right beside it. So do you get what I'm going after here? And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So there we go. And now I'm going to do some on the edges. I'm just gonna go from one corner to the other. See, it's important that you go the right direction. You want the beads to go this way up, not so like that, not like that. I don't know if that makes sense. So I had them going up and you want them going down. So like this. So I did it right the first time on the other one. I think I'm gonna go with this one underneath. I think that will give me a better. Not sure that I like that either. Maybe I need to shorten this one a little bit. Don't like the way this one looks. I think this one is shorter too, so might be better for here. I'm gonna put this longer one here. There, much better. And the last one. So I just want to show you before I spray painted what it looks like from here. And now I'm going to spray paint it. You have to move this around because otherwise there's gonna be lots of spots that I'm gonna get spray painted both on beads and off beads. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and show you what it looks like on once it's all dry and with candles. So here it is. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I think the little beads gave it that spooky feeling, I guess, or something that you can buy for a lot more money at a party store or even Michael's. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I would love it if you gave me a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you joined my YouTube family. And I would like to thank Hillary for hosting this fun challenge. I enjoy participating in it each and every time. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.